Hi, my name's Kobe, and this is KCL Creations Paintless Dent Removal, where we specialize in repairing dents, dings, crease dents, large dents, and hail damage. We achieve these repairs without the use of fillers or the needs of repainting your panels. Our methods helps to restore your vehicle's value and maintain your factory finishes both inside and outside, all with a quicker turnaround time than a conventional body shop. We work on all vehicle makes and models, even motorcycles and most Class C RVs. Here at KCL Creations, we work with most major insurance companies on the customer's behalf to ensure that their vehicle is repaired back to pre-damage condition the best way possible. If your vehicle has damage, feel free to give us a call or a text message at 970-815-4657 or visit us on the web at www.kclcreations for more information, or stop by and visit at 591 North Denver Avenue in Loveland, Colorado.